Getting started with Windows 8. Help! There is no Start menu. No worries. It has actually become a Start screen, and the first thing you need to learn is how to get to it. Later we can review lesson plans that deal specifically with the Start screen, desktop, search menu, apps, the help menu, etc. For now, let's just work at being able to get around when you first sign in. The first hurdle is the lock screen, and this one is easy. After you have turned your computer on and signed in, the lock screen will appear. All you have to do to pass through this screen is press Enter on your keyboard. If you have a touch screen, touch the screen and drag up. Note, Mimi's computer takes her right to the Start screen. However, if you press Enter and see your sign-in name and account picture on a black screen, just press Enter again and you'll be set, unless you haven't signed in. In that case, sign in. This will take you to the Start screen. We have lesson plans specifically devoted to this screen, but for right now, we are just practicing moving around. So let's go to the desktop first thing. Click the bottom left tile, which has the picture of the daisies on it, called the desktop. This will take you to the desktop, which is very similar to previous versions of Windows, with the major exception being there is no longer a Start menu available at the bottom. So forget Start menu, think Start screen. One way to get back to the Start screen is to move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen, and the Charms menu will appear. Click the middle icon on the menu called Start to return to the Start screen. Another quick way to get back and forth between the desktop and the Start screen is to press the Windows key on the keyboard. Press it again and you return to the desktop. You need to activate the desktop before you can toggle it with the Start screen. Give that a try. Note, this works with any program you have open. Press the Window key and you are back at the Start screen. What if you want to find a program like Paint? Well, from the desktop or Start screen, activate the Charms menu, but this time click the Search icon. This will take you to the App screen where you will find a search box. To practice, type Paint in the App search box. Notice that Windows 8 filters the Paint program out and shows it under Apps Results for Paint. Click that button and the Paint program will open. Click the red X in the top right corner of the Paint window to close the program. One more thing. When you open an app such as Maps, it fills the entire screen. Now, your first thought may be, oh no, how do I get out of this? There is no place to click. Don't panic. Let's practice closing the Map app. Go to the Start screen. Click the Maps tile. The Maps app will fill the entire screen. There is no red X to close the program. So click in the top middle of the screen and hold the mouse button down and don't let go. The cursor will turn into a hand. Drag straight down to the very bottom. The program will get smaller and finally close. Now that you have seen what you will be doing in this lesson plan, close the video by clicking on the X and follow the illustrated tutorial below to actually do the lesson plan.